Okay, I've cut another piece about the same length. I'm going to line it up so that they're one above the other, so they're both sticking at the same side. You don't have to do that, but that's usually expected. I'm going to press it onto the metal strip. Oops, a little wobbly because I got a point on the other end. And a little off center, but I would recommend making a jig. Okay, we got 4 divots there, and I'm going to give it one more because we got lots of space on the flat side here.
And here's a picture of the machine we're using. This is our new one, the first time it's being used.